Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Art Design. This is Saturday morning and I'm so excited to do some painting. I have mixed up some paint, so let's start with testing the colors that I have mixed today. Of course, I'm going to do bloom. So this is my eggshell PPG Multi Pro. And this is a round which is 10-inch in diameter. The first color that I mixed today is Prussian blue from Golden. Now this one is also from Golden and it's teal. Candy apple. This one is green gold from Golden. I really like this color. Deja vu from Piggy. Waterfall. Now these are my two cell activators. So first one is titanium white and the next one is lamp black. These are mixed a while ago, so I'm not sure how they are going to react. We'll see. As you can see, my first mistake is I should have added more cell activators, because as I'm using the blow dryer, I don't have enough cell activator to spread everywhere. So that was my first mistake. And also the cell activators are mixed a while ago, so that's also another unknown. I don't know how they are going to react. Colors have turned out really pretty, but technically this is where things went wrong for me because of the cell activator, but I'm still going to spin it. I don't like how my black and white cell activators are gathering there at the center. I'm going to take some of my cell activators off by using a syringe. I love the sides, but I'm not very thrilled about the center. Oh well, I'm going to keep it because these sides are so pretty and I can do so many things in the center, so I'm fine because I'm just loving these cells surrounding the I will let it dry and I will show you the dried result at the end. So hang in there. Now I'm going to do another piece. This is my second one. Okay, so this time I'm going to start with nickel gold, then I think this is teal. No, this is not teal. I have to see the name. It's from Golden. This is teal. Winterfall. Deja Vu. Candy Apple. Green Gold. Okay. Now I am going to cover up the whole entire thing with paint spray. This is a technique developed by Jessica Winterstorm from Winterstorm Art. I will link her channel in my description section. In this technique, what she does is she covers her initial layer of colors with another thin layer of paint, which is a solid color, and then she would use cell activator and swipe on the top layer. Once it's done, then she will use a tool to scoop some of her paint from underneath the first layer, and she will drag it outside, and she will kind of create these stretch cells, which are so pretty to look at. This layer of paint should be as thin as possible. I bought this new light, which is a circular light to give me better lighting, but I see that there's a lot of glare, which I'm not very happy about. So I really apologize for the glares that you are seeing, because I think that's distracting our view. But right now I cannot do anything about it. For the next one, I will be very careful, I promise. Okay, I cannot get my white cell activator to work, so I'm going to use the black one, even though it might blend in. Okay, let's see. I feel like I need some more cell activators for this area. Now so I'm going to use my smaller scooping tool to scoop some of the paint from underneath and drag it outside and stretch it. This portion was so pretty, and because of the unfortunate lighting situation, you guys cannot see it well, and I feel so bad about that. Have some gold cell activator. Whoa, look at that. Let's see what is hiding behind this. Aren't they pretty? Okay, let's spin a little and see what happens. I think the best part of this technique is when you spin. Do you see what I mean? Who knew on these? Hidden treasure underneath. Oh wow, look at these. Now let's see if it requires any modification. It's a one-time use. I like it. I was thinking of doing some modification, but I don't think it will enhance it in any way. It looks good, so I'm leave it alone. I am going to bring you down. Close up. I apologize for the glare, but this is what I have. I have to say, Jessica, it's a genius idea. This is such a proud moment for me. I'm so happy with the result, and I'm showing you the piece in different angles. I'm really wowed by the technique. So here I am today. Once it dried, I probably would some modification. So I'll show you my dry results. This is the dry result for the first piece, and the center doesn't look that bad, so I'm really happy. And this is the second one. As you can see, I did some modification using my gold pen, and here we go. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you think you like what I'm doing, please like my videos and share my videos, and be a subscriber to my channel. Thank you so much again from the bottom of my heart.